What's up guys, it's Cigar Carpenter Mike, and today I'm doing an intro video to a series. I often will pick up groups of cigars with the intention of like filming a series, because if you've watched my channel for any period of time, you know I like to do series because it's just kind of fun. At one point I picked up a bunch of different signature sizes of the Hemingway and the Rare Pink line. So this week I will be doing Signature Week, and I will start out with this Arturo Fuente Hemingway Signature in the natural, and then I have one in Maduro, and then they also make the Rare Pink in the signature size. So I'll be doing a series of 3 videos, 3 individual reviews, and then I'll do like a summary video on which one I like the most. I know a lot of people look for the Rare Pinks. I don't know if they're highly sought after because people actually like them more, or they're highly sought after just because it's hard for some people to find them. But yeah, this should be fun. Stay tuned for the review videos and the summary video. Thanks for watching.